And welcome to a new video from Learn Arabic with Hamid. Today we will focus on a new letter from our how to pronounce Arabic like a native series, and our letter today will be the challenging ta. So let's dive in. As we previously discussed with other letters that we have in modern standard Arabic, the letters are grouped, many letters are grouped in pairs where you have a light version and a strong version. So here the ta is also a strong version in the pair ta and ta. And also, as we discussed, that the light version is very easy to pronounce, I think, for you, because it corresponds to a very similar letter in the English language. For example, the ta is like t. It's very similar. It's almost the same pronunciation. But when it comes to the ta, which is a heavy version, here comes a difficulty, because you're not used to listen to pronounce the letter ta. So I'll try to help you with this pronunciation as much as I can. Let's first know that the pronunciation of the ta is called in phonetics the alveolar stop, where you have the tip of the tongue touching the ceiling of the mouth, like this, and this is called alveolar stop in phonetics. So this one thing, and another thing, I will help you by giving you some words that you pronounce the letter ta in different situation or in different location in the words. For example, at the beginning of the word, in the middle, and toward the end of the word. So we have three important words here where the letter ta is presented, and we will start by the first word. The first word here is a doctor in English, which is tabib. Okay, tabib. So tabib is a doctor in English, and as you see, it is a deep word. It's a very massive word. So when you say the ta, it comes from all the mouth. You can sense the echo that we say, that you can feel with all these heavy pair or heavy letters from the pairs, like the ta, the qaf, and so on, the dad, which we will dedicate a video for it, because the ta, it has a very special significance in Arabic, because the Arabic is called the language of the dad letter. Why? Because the dad is only, this pronunciation is only found in Arabic, not in any other language in the world. But this is another video. Let's keep focusing on the ta right now. So we were saying it's tabib. So tabib is the first word. The second word where we have the ta is in the middle is to request. To request is yatlub. So yatlub is another word. Yatlub is a verb, a present tense of the verb request, yatlub. And for the past tense is talaba, and the ta comes at the beginning. Okay, so yatlub. Here the ta is very heavy, and it's pronounced with all the area of the vicinity of the mouth, and you hear the echo. The third word where the ta comes at the end is saqata. The meaning in English is to fall down. This is a past tense of fall. Okay, saqata. And here this verb is really, I would say, it's a challenge to pronounce, because it contains two heavy letters. It contains the letter qaf, as we discussed in a previous video, and also it's a heavy letter, and it contains the letter ta that comes right after it. So sa, se, qa, ta, se, qa, ta. And as I always say, pay close attention to, let us say, the pronunciation of the words and the difference between the light and heavy versions, because it can alter the meaning of the word completely. And as discussed with you before, when we have the two letters, the two words, kalb, like a dog, and qalb as a heart. So kalb versus qalb, a dog versus heart, another totally different meaning. So you don't want to switch the meaning. And of course, if you don't pronounce the words right, it's no doubt that the person in front of you, if he is a native speaker, he will know from the first second, not the first minute, the first second, that you are not a native Arabic speaker. Arabic is a very sensitive language, and the pronunciation of the letters is very sensitive, especially if you are pronouncing modern standard Arabic. Pronouncing dialects, it may be less heavier, and we may tend to make the powerful letters or the heavy letters quite lighter to be easy in pronunciation. But if you are learning modern standard Arabic, you need to take care of the pronunciation of the letter, because this is part of the fluency or the strength of your language, al-fasaha. So this is fasaha in Arabic, is the strength of your modern standard Arabic and how good you are at it. Okay, so that was a quick explanation of the letter ta. I hope you like it, and don't forget to review and watch all the videos with all the other letters. You have the series, and you have also different playlists within my channel where you can see also different topics that will be sure interesting to you in modern standard Arabic. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in future video.